I'm Nancy from VEIKONG company.
Hi Nancy, I need your help.
What can I help you?
I don't know how to use vector control multi-parameter self-learning. Can you tell me how to set it?
Yes, sure. Let me show you step by step. Do you have the same problem as these friends? Please follow my video step by step. As long as you set the parameters correctly, you will find it is very simple and it will be done in a few minutes. Firstly, set 0.04 to 1 means asynchronous open loop vector, and 2 means asynchronous closed loop vector. Secondly, set 11.02 to 11.06 motor parameter according to the motor nameplate. It means rate power, rate voltage, rate current, rate frequency, and rate RPM. After set motor parameter, please pay attention. Closed loop vector control also needs to set 10.01 and 10.02 encoder parameters. This is very important. Next step is to set 11.10. 1 means stationary auto-tuning. If motor and load are unable to disengage, it chooses 1. And 2 means dynamic or rotational auto-tuning. If motor can be separated from the load, or the load is less than 1/3 of the rate load, then choose 2. After set all parameters, then press Run. The keyboard will display turn. It means that the motor is in the process of self-learning. After turn disappears and there is no any fault display, it means that self-learning has been completed successfully. Remark: the motor will rotate during the rotation self-learning process. Please pay attention to safety. After watch my video, are you clear now? If any questions, please feel free to contact me. Bye bye.